As the cyber capital of America and a national and international leader in information technology and cybersecurity, we're proud to be the home of our nation's premier cyber-related federal agencies, including the NSA, the U.S. Cyber Command, the National Cybersecurity Center of Excellence, the National Institute of Standards and Technology. And Maryland boasts more than 70 federal laboratories, 12,000 IT companies, and 1,200 private sector cybersecurity companies, from industry giants to cutting-edge emerging businesses. Incredible talent in these organizations form the very foundation of Maryland's unparalleled pool of cybersecurity and tech talent, a workforce that includes the highest concentration of doctoral scientists and engineers in America. We're second among all 50 states for the concentration of information security analysts, and number one in America for the concentration of STEM employment. In Maryland, our administration recognized very quickly the important role that cybersecurity had to play in our state's early and aggressive response to this unprecedented crisis. And one of the first actions I took was mobilizing 2,200 members of the Maryland National Guard for a number of important missions, including providing transportation support and standing up testing centers and assisting with the delivery of much needed medical supplies. But I also directed the Guard's cybersecurity division to take additional steps to ensure that our IT networks were secure and to help ensure that our hospitals and healthcare systems did not fall victim to malicious cyber attacks. Then, as more and more of our businesses moved to and began encouraging telework and adopted new technology during the pandemic, their vulnerability to cyber attacks obviously also grew. With support from our administration, the Cybersecurity Association of Maryland established the Cyber SWAT Team, a hotline for businesses to call if they had a suspected cyber attack, so they could immediately be paired up with a company or a cyber professional. These steps build on actions that we took more than a year ago when I issued an executive order establishing the Maryland Cyber Defense Initiative. No state in America is better equipped or better positioned to address the rapidly emerging and evolving challenges associated with the COVID-19 pandemic.